today nobody is allowed on the sets
Yes,
when you
nobody is
shoot.
allowed, yes.
But we used to walk into any studio. In the olden days, Bimal Roy, Raj Kapoor, B.R. Chopra, when they finished the final script, would send to each other for a feedback. And they would take the suggestions. For example, in Waqt, actually, B.R. Chopra wanted to cast the entire Kapoor family. That is Raj Kapoor, Shami Kapoor, Shashi Kapoor as the
अच्छा
brothers.
उनकी कहानी ओके
उनकी कहानी नहीं थी, वक्त की कहानी थी. अर्थक्वेक होता है बलराज साहनी के.
नहीं but what I mean to say is that joint
Yes,
family
families,
separated
yes,
and
yes,
put
yes.
together.
So Bimal Roy said, don't make the mistake, because there is a scene in the film where Balraj Sahni is sitting in the Marine Drive parapet, and Rajkumar passes by and Shashi Kapoor passes by, and they don't recognize each other. And he says, if you take the real siblings, and when they are passing by and they don't recognize each other and the audience recognizes, people will not buy it. What I'm trying to say is that today nobody wants to share the script with their peer circle. They are not taking any feedback, which is showing in the end results.
हाँ
Also, in the olden days, Yash ji told me कि एक फिल्म रिलीज हो गई यश चोपड़ा की, वो अपने परिवार को लेकर कश्मीर चले जाते थे हॉलिडे के लिए. उसके पहले वो गुलशन नंदा के पास जाते थे और दाग की कहानी कंफर्म कर दी. उसके बाद स्क्रीन प्ले राइटर उसे लिख देते थे एंड द डायलॉग राइटर यूज्ड टू राइट द डायलॉग्स. Yash ji used to come back from the holiday, and after that they used to have a sitting of the dialogue writer, screenplay writer, story writer, Yash Chopra. And there are 4 minds which are contributing, disagreeing with each other, and also adding and telling each other where they are going wrong.
हाँ
Today what happens is,
silos में काम कर रहे हैं.
the filmmaker who produces the film wants to be the director, he wants to be the writer, sometimes he's a cinematographer also. So if you're going to hold all the leashes of the horse is going to go galloping I don't know where.
And the final approval comes from the actor. He will tell you, ये चेंज करिए, ये कास्टिंग लीजिए, इसे इस कहानी में ये मोड़ आना चाहिए, इसका ये पूरा ड्राफ्ट चेंज करिए,
मेरे
climax
एक
change
गाना
करिए.
डालो, मेरा एक
बिल्कुल,
fight sequence
बिल्कुल,
डालो.
बिल्कुल. And you know that has spoiled a lot of things.
Yeah. Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.